How to file a claim with BiBerk. Filing an insurance claim might seem daunting, but with BiBerk, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to file a claim efficiently. First, gather all necessary information. This includes your policy number, details of the incident, and any supporting documents like photos or reports. Having these on hand will streamline your experience. Next, visit the BiBerk website and log into your account. Navigate to the Claims section, where you'll find the option to start a new claim. BiBerk offers a simplified form to input your details, making it easy even if it's your first time filing. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Double-check for typos or missing details before submitting. This helps prevent delays in processing your claim. Once submitted, BiBerk will provide a claim number. This is your reference as they review your case. You can track the progress online or contact their support for updates. After reviewing, BiBerk will inform you of the outcome and any next steps required. Be sure to follow any instructions provided to finalize your claim resolution. And that's it. Filing a claim with BiBerk doesn't have to be stressful when you know the steps. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more valuable tips.